Let's talk about kits. For beginners level cycling, you don't need full matching Lycra the same colour as your bike. You probably don't need a full face and full body armour. You will definitely need a cycle helmet. Now, cycle helmets can range from very cheap to very expensive. Essentially, they're made of polystyrene, and it's like a polystyrene shell that protects your head in the event of an accident. Now, the more expensive ones, and I would say whatever your budget is, see if you can try and get this feature, have what is known as MIPS, which is Multi-Directional Impact Protection Scheme. And what that does, or system even, not scheme, and what that does is if you have a crash and you hit your head in multiple places, the shell of the helmet will spread that impact so it's not all focused on one place. And fundamentally, that is probably the difference between a cheaper end helmet and a more expensive brand helmet. And for the type of riding I do have a MIPS helmet because I tend to ride a lot of rocky terrain on my mountain bike, and if I fall off at speed, the chances of me hitting my head in multiple places are quite high. And also I have broken helmets quite significantly before in accidents and appreciate the value of a better one. So that is something that you should definitely be wearing. And your kids as well. If you're taking your kids on bikes, I see it all the time, there's kids riding around with no helmets on. It drives me mad. So make sure anyone riding a bicycle has a helmet on, because you just don't know, you could just slip on a curb or leaf or moss, or just fall off when you're not expecting it, or just generally fall off because you're a beginner, which is fine, we all do it. Another thing that maybe you should consider, good gloves with good grip. They protect your hands if you go through brambles, nettles, if you've got the tough bits on the top. And also if you've got this grip on the bottom here, stops the skin sort of on your hands getting a bit worn if you're doing a lot of cycling and you're on and off the bars and using the controls all the time. And also some good sturdy shoes are quite useful. These are a branded shoe, but just one with like a solid sole. There's different shoes and different clipping systems you can get. Different types of pedals which you can get very confused with. Most bikes will come with pedals that you don't clip your feet to. And if that's the case, just a nice sturdy pair of shoes will do. These ones are very muddy, sorry about that. Other than that, comfortable clothes, suitable for exercise, dress for the weather, so a nice waterproof jacket which will roll up in the bag is quite useful if you're going out and about. And just get out and enjoy yourself, guys, because fundamentally that's what life and exercise is all about. So get out, have fun, enjoy yourself. I hope you found this guide useful, and yeah, that's all from me really. Be sure to continue following Great Dawley Town Council on their YouTube channel for more videos on different activities that will keep you and your family entertained over the summer. For more than me, there's been a full range of these. We did 8 of these videos in total, so if you've not watched them all yet, please do catch up on the ones that you might have missed out on, and we appreciate any comments and feedback you can give us. So guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, stay happy, stay safe, and I'll speak soon. Thank you very much.